What's up, guys? Today we're gonna track Tropical Storm Faye. If you watch all of my other videos of Tropical Storm Faye today, thanks for watching them. Let's look at the radar. Who do you see? I'm gonna be like straight in the eye. Let's just say that. It's gonna make landfall. At Atlantic City, it's gonna make landfall. That's when we're gonna get pounded by the storm. Cause this is gonna be a really, really bad storm we all know about. It is moving. I mean, look at this. This is not that accurate because it looks like, what is this? Does look like it's all moving this way. Storm's moving this way though, or like this way. It's gonna go straight through Atlantic City, go this way almost, and go this way. So this storm is gonna be really bad. It looks like. I already posted a video right now on Tropical Storm Faye, but still this is gonna be a really bad storm. Get away from that. This is really what we want to actually look at. The Weather Channel, because Weather Channel makes way more sense. Just hitting that. We're about to have a Category 1 hurricane in the Pacific. It's going to hit Hawaii. Like, it's not a big deal. This is going to hit big. I can't do that, dang it. This is going to hit big time. Maybe around I'm already getting hit. Let's just say that. But at 9 o'clock, wind speeds are going to be about 20 miles per hour. That's bad, I guess. But this is going to be a bad storm. Make sure you guys don't lose power. I already lost power. But I am using my phone's hotspot for Wi-Fi right now. I did lose power. Not that good right now. Can't really do anything. My phone is about to die. I should charge my phone soon. But this storm is going to be big, bad, ugly, whatever the heck will happen to this storm. I'm just doing something really quick on my phone. Okay. So I'm gonna end it here, guys. I'm trying to figure something out. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.